Okay, it's time to take this apart. I'm going to drill out this rivet here, and then take it inside, and we'll take this screw here out. I'm going to take this apart, and then we'll take, hopefully I can take it apart. Just thought about that. I fused the plastic. Then I'm going to take this piece here and copy it in the machine, the scanner. And then we'll work on cutting the acrylic for this. I'm going to use a Dremel, just a regular drill bit. Basically, I just melted the plastic on the back end. Still didn't get it all the way through. Strange. That pear cutter's right here. We'll continue with the drilling this and try to cut the plastic off of this. It's melted on it. There we go. Hot. I was trying not to have this spring come out, but it seems to be that it's going to. And there we go. There's the rivet. We'll probably use a screw for that. And looks like there's a metal rod inside. It was part of the spring. Part of getting that in there. I wonder if it'd be any better. We'll find out. Actually, this is loose enough now. Must have been from the vibrations. take the screw out. That should enable me to lift. This will probably come out. Yep. It's just the heat sink, the screw part there. Here's the knife blade. Comes apart really easy. And here comes the fun part. Let's see if this will actually pop apart. Probably won't. My guess is they got the plastic fused together. That's where the spring's at. The short end, for reference, short end goes in to the base of it. Oh, because there's a catch somewhere. Yeah. We'll get this taken apart next. See what we can do. This might actually be a reason why they have that all the way down. Anyway. So right now I drew the outline and I got the measurements and I got it put in the computer. And right now I'm laser engraving the outline to make sure that the measurement that I have in the computer is going to be the right size for this knife blank here. Just have to make the lines a little bit darker. To recap what I'm doing, I'm taking this piece here and I'm going to take piece of acrylic. I'm going to cut out on the acrylic this knife handle. And I'm going to do it on both sides. So you have a see-through knife. You can actually see the blade and the spring actually work. You can see the outline here. It is just almost perfect all the way around. And that's the laser engraved piece of this. So now I'm going to put it on acrylic. So I got this set to cutting 5mm per second, 40%. I did the first one, I didn't have it down for enough. This, I moved it. This is just a scrap piece of acrylic that I have. When I'm wasting on a nice size sheet. So I already know it'll cut it out in the shapes I need it. So the second piece is cut. So what that looks like together. Now I'm going to do the centerpiece. To put the USB back in. Keep forgetting to do that. Kind of just winging it here. I'm not sure how that will be. So what it looks like when it's done. knife. I actually ended up not trying to put the spring in. I super glued these three pieces together. Had I known that it would clot it up under certain conditions, I wouldn't have done it that way. Keep a note, if you do use super glue and it comes out on the outside area, see how this is kind of frosted? You can use fingernail polish remover and it will get rid of the clear. On the back side, you see that there's a little piece right there. That is the full stop. It goes a little bit past full stop. It's not locked, but this is not meant for being anything but for show. I was hoping to have the spring inside here and show how the knife actually worked, but it didn't work out that way. I got the knife blade a little too high, I think, because it doesn't close all the way, and this is the way it is. But nonetheless, laser engraving, an acrylic handle, make itself a knife. I think this is pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.